Hello, I'm Amanda. Welcome to this video. I'm coming to you behind the scenes real quick to give you a little disclaimer. I am not a professional leather worker. I know just a little bit of basics. I am a beginner, but I really wanted to customize the strap for my bag and I just wanted to share the information. So please be kind, and if you have any tips for me on leatherworking, please leave them in the comments below. Okay, with that being said, let's get started. Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I will be showing you how I customized and reinforced my straps for my Galen leather rider's medic bag. So if you want to learn how to do this, keep watching. Here is I'm using some waxed thread, a leather needle. These are the clasps that I'm going to be using to insert. And of course a pencil so I can mark where I want the holes to be for the thread when I sew it. Some pretty sharp scissors to cut the thread, a good ruler. This is a metal ruler. This is a single prong that I will be using to make the hole. This is for leather work. And a handy dandy rubber hammer. I am going to wing it, meaning I am going to do the best that I can in my ability. Okay, so this is about 1 inch in. I want to go a little less than 1/2 inch. That way you can see. I'm going to do probably about 3 notches right there. So let me scoot this over. I'm going to do about right there. So I'm going to do 1, 2. Right, 1, 1, 2. See if this will make a, sure did. Okay, cool. Move my strap to adjust. So now I have a little mark right there. I want it just enough in to where I can stitch it around this way to reinforce it. Next, I'm going to do the other side. You know what? I could probably unscrew that. Can I unscrew that? I sure can! I just made it more difficult for myself. Cool. It unscrews. Wonderful. Okay. That makes it a lot easier. So that way I can lay it flat, put my prong right where that hole is, and nice. Another one here. There we go. Sweet. All right. Let me put this back. I believe it was on the outside. Sure was. I am so excited. That's actually a lot easier than what I thought. So I'm like, yay. Cool. So let me put that back. Nice. Okay. Wonderful. Just going through those holes again so it's easier. We're now going to screw this back off. I'm going to put this here. Put this back on. So where is, okay, there it is. I was like, where's the end, guys? I'm going to just get more than what I think I need. So with wax thread, let me see, you go, I'm new to leatherworking, so bear with me, but you go in and then that way you have this loop like so. Okay. All right. Like I said, I'm not a professional leather worker, but I'm learning. All right. So I want to go a few times to reinforce these sides. Oh, guys, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm going to do this a few times. I am going to do a couple of knots. Oh, I probably should have done that like longer. Let's see, 1, 2. Let's do 3 for good luck. Oh, it looks like 3 might be too much. Oh, well, I will do 2 because that seems like it'd be better. It looks a little bulky with the 3. Do you see that? One. I'm gonna tie it kind of tight. 2. As tight as I can anyway. Again, it's mine. It doesn't have to be perfect, but that is so much sturdier than I feel like it was, because it would just, it could just pop open, and that's what some people had honestly complained about. Nice. Yay! Got some reinforcements going on. That's not going to pop off. So now, awesome. Awesome, awesome. Yay. I am a happy camper now. So now I can work on filling this bad boy up. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here, but thank you so much for joining me in figuring life out and figuring this stuff out. I will talk to you guys again soon. Okay, bye.